In the northern sector, FPV drones from the Russian 5th Brigade engaged a Ukrainian infantry group attempting to evacuate a wounded comrade north of Chasov Yar. A Russian fiber-optic FPV drone detected a group of 8 to 9 Ukrainian infantry personnel. The drone rapidly moved in to engage the position. As it approached at close range, the infantry reacted simultaneously, attempting to counter the drone as it closed to just a few meters near a soldier positioned by a vehicle. In this footage, a Russian UAV operator flies over a Ukrainian forces pickup truck positioned on the far side of a bridge. The operator jumps off the back of the pickup in the final seconds, narrowly avoiding impact. The driver of the vehicle, however, fails to react in time and is unable to escape. The clip captures the precision and timing of UAV operations against exposed enemy transport. Russian reporting states that aerospace forces destroyed a UAV command post of the 14th Brigade near Krasnoyarskoye in the DPR using 4 FAB-500 bombs with UMPK, presenting the strike as a precise blow against Ukrainian drone coordination. In this footage, a Russian fiber-optic FPV drone delivers a single precision strike against a Ukrainian towed howitzer. The accurate hit disables the artillery system, rendering it inoperable. In new footage, an FPV drone operator from the Sever Group's 34th Guards Motor Rifle Brigade struck a truck transporting enemy forces in the village of Osavka, Sumy region. In this new footage, units of the 20th Army of the West Grouping are shown methodically dismantling the defenses of Kiev's forces from the north, steadily expanding the control zone around the Holy Mountains National Park. In parallel, units of the 25th Army are increasing pressure from the western approaches, tightening the operational grip on enemy positions and forcing them to retreat from previously fortified lines. Together, these coordinated advances are presented as part of a broader push to reshape the tactical landscape across this sector of the front. Russian reporting shows fighters of the 68th Motorized Rifle Division continuing their active hunt for Kiev's forces in Kupansk and the surrounding areas, moving with practiced coordination through forests, fields, and forward positions. Alongside them, the Udaya Group is depicted conducting intense combat operations across the Kharkov region, with narration emphasizing their daily destruction of enemy equipment and manpower. The footage highlights nighttime strikes carried out with fiber-optic kamikaze drones, silent shapes cutting through the darkness, guided with pinpoint precision toward Ukrainian positions. Each frame is presented as part of a broader, relentless pressure campaign, portraying Russian units as maintaining initiative across multiple axes under the cover of night. Russian reporting presents a compilation of strikes carried out by drone operators from the South Group, showcasing a series of precise hits across multiple settlements. In Novosielovka, a vehicle carrying Kiev forces' manpower is shown being destroyed. In Alexeyevo-Drushkovka, operators target and disable a pickup truck, while in Ilyanovka, a Kozak armored vehicle is taken out with a direct FPV strike. The footage continues with another Kozak destroyed in Konstantinovka, followed by an enemy vehicle eliminated in Kondratovka. The sequence concludes back in Alexeyevo-Drushkovka, where a second pickup truck is struck. Each segment is framed as part of a coordinated pressure campaign. In this new footage, Russian FABs strike a temporary deployment point of the 119th Territorial Defense Brigade in the Sumy region. In the settlement of Ryasnoye, Kiev forces had been concentrating troops in an effort to halt the advance of the Severians deeper into the region. Several precision strikes with FAB-500 bombs equipped with UMPK glide kits leveled a large cluster of buildings used to house personnel. According to the Telegram channel Iznanka, fighters of the 119th Territorial Defense Brigade were stationed at the site, and the destruction of the facility is presented as a significant blow to the enemy's ability to reinforce the sector. Russian reporting states that units of the Group East have taken control of the settlement of Zelino in the Zaporizhzhia region, presenting the advance as a steady, coordinated push that tightened the front line. The narration emphasizes disciplined movement through defensive lines, reconnaissance guiding the approach, and assault groups securing key positions with methodical precision. Each frame is portrayed as part of a broader effort to expand control in this sector, underscoring momentum, cohesion, and the gradual consolidation of territory under the Group East's operational zone. During a Russian drone attack, footage shows a Ukrainian soldier as a UAV approaches him. The soldier reacts quickly, attempting to engage the drone while maintaining his balance and avoiding falling under the threat. As the fiber-optic drone maneuvered between buildings, it spotted two soldiers hiding in a corner. A brief visual contact was established between the drone operator and the Ukrainian soldier. One of the soldiers was armed but unable to move effectively or take cover. The drone maintained its position, tracking their every action, demonstrating how a single unmanned system can pose a significant threat in confined urban environments. A joint operation conducted by the Southern Group's artillery and drone operators resulted in the neutralization of an enemy temporary staging area in the direction of Constantine. The structure where Ukrainian personnel were positioned was destroyed before they could relocate to other buildings. This jaw-dropping footage captures the Rubicon unit unleashing a true drone swarm, 7 Molniya fixed-wing FPVs launched in perfect coordination against a single Ukrainian strongpoint. The narration emphasizes the spectacle of synchronized flight, each drone diving in sequence to overwhelm defenses, their combined strikes tearing through fortifications with relentless precision. Russian reporting frames the operation as a demonstration of swarm warfare in action, portraying the Molniya Blitz not just as a tactical strike but as a glimpse of how massed FPV waves are reshaping the battlefield, turning technology into shock and pressure delivered in unison. Russian reporting shows personnel of the 6th and 1st Armies of the Group West methodically clearing the area around Kupansk, moving through forests, trenches, and abandoned positions with steady, disciplined coordination. The narration emphasizes their slow, deliberate advance, engineers checking pathways, infantry securing strong points, and reconnaissance teams guiding the push with real-time updates. Each frame is presented as part of a broader effort to tighten control over the sector, portraying the clearing operation as a measured, systematic process aimed at removing remaining threats and stabilizing the front line around Kupansk. In this archival footage, soldiers from the 68th Motorized Infantry Division of the Leningrad Military District are shown capturing enemy personnel with the support of an FPV drone. The drone operator demonstrates skill consistent with extensive simulation training. January 7, 2026. A Russian drone targeted a Ukrainian ATV positioned by the roadside. Two soldiers were inside the vehicle at the time of the engagement. Russian FPV units from the 14th Guards Brigade are shown striking with precision northwest of Rivnopilya in Zaporizhia Oblast, targeting and destroying a Ukrainian antenna installation. The footage emphasizes the calm coordination of the operators, drones racing low across the terrain, locking onto the antenna, and delivering a direct hit that severs communication lines in the sector. In this footage, fiber-optic FPV drone operators from Russia's 74th Motorized Rifle Brigade, known as the Mad Dogs, conduct a precision strike on a Ukrainian HMMWV positioned next to a British-supplied Husky armored vehicle during troop rotation. The drones provide real-time targeting and situational awareness, allowing operators to engage mobile vehicles while monitoring surrounding forces. Footage captured by a Russian FPV crew shows enemy forces in the rear area. Special forces from the SER group, along with units from the 344th Strategic Missile Forces and motorized infantry regiments, are seen moving into position for operations. Don't forget to share your thoughts about the video in the comments. Subscribe and leave a like. In this footage, fiber optic FPV drone operators from Russia's 25th Army conduct precision strikes against enemy infantry concealed in a forested area near the village of Zakotno. The drones provide real-time tracking and targeting, allowing operators to engage personnel effectively despite dense vegetation. The operation demonstrates the use of advanced FPV systems to locate, monitor, and neutralize forces attempting to hide in complex terrain. In today's footage, a Russian attack FPV drone approached a Ukrainian pickup truck during a reconnaissance mission at high speed. 2 soldiers were in the back, and as the drone closed in, one managed to jump out at the last second, narrowly avoiding the incoming threat. The clip demonstrates the increasing use of FPV drones for rapid assault and battlefield reconnaissance. In this footage, GoPro cameras capture Russian troops traveling on board a Bukanka vehicle as they stop to inspect a destroyed American Max Pro armored vehicle positioned by the roadside. The soldiers examine the wreckage, documenting the damage and assessing the effectiveness of prior engagements.
Вот так вот. Разбабахали тварь. Так морскую. Хорошо, пацаны, его разобрали. Нормально. Наступающим, друзья! Всем хорошего и отличного Нового года!
In this footage, a fiber optic FPV drone operated by Russia's center group lies in ambush and targets a Ukrainian armored vehicle. As the drone closes in, the vehicle's driver attempts to counter the attack using a net gun, but the effort fails. The drone maintains precise control and successfully strikes the target, illustrating the effectiveness of ambush tactics combined with advanced FPV systems in neutralizing armored threats on the battlefield. Reconnaissance drones tracked their movement, and subsequent drone attacks followed in quick succession.